What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a dropshipping business. Now you need two things. First of all is an online store, and in this video I'm going to use Shopify. Shopify.com is a great online store and easy to use website. Just go to shopify.com and create your account for free. And once you do, go ahead and copy your store's URL from the settings here. And then you need a dropshipping provider. And in this video, I'm going to use CJ Dropshipping that has lots of great products and fast shipping times, and it integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect your dropshipping provider, in this case CJ Dropshipping, to your Shopify store. And to do so, go to Authorization, click on Shopify, and then click on Add Store, Authorize. And then it'll redirect you to the Shopify App Store where you install the CJ Dropshipping app onto your Shopify account. Okay, so click on Install, and now Authorize, Confirm, and now the authorization is successful. Now all you need to do is go and find products right here and see the product that you want to sell on your store, e-commerce store. Let's say I like this one. Okay, click on it, and you can view the details, all the details. And once you are decided that you are want to selling this item, go ahead and list it, and it'll appear in your Shopify store. And once you get an order for the item, you don't need to have the item itself in your inventory. Once you get an order, you will be able to go ahead to CJ Dropshipping and order the product and deliver it to the customer's address. So you'll list the product on your Shopify store with a price higher than on CJ Dropshipping, and you will get the price difference as a profit.